Today I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about nutrition if you want to be healthy under 2 minutes. I start the timer here. Let's go. First thing you need to know is that you do not need a restrictive diet. People love to spread fear by saying that some foods are bad for you, when in reality there is very few foods that are really unhealthy, and it's often how much you eat that makes it bad rather than what you eat. So keep things you like in your diet and focus on adding good things instead of pressing them. Second things you need to know is if you want to eat healthy, the only things that you need to focus on are whole foods and variety. If most of your diet is whole foods and you don't eat the same things every week, you will be healthy. Yes, in the future, you can make some tweak and adjustment to your diet to be even more healthy and squeeze the last benefits and results there is. But right now, you'll get the best result by solely focus on eating a variety of whole foods. The last advice is please make some meal preps. We all have different lives and we are all super busy and have different obligations. So you won't be able to always eat healthy if you always need to cook when you have to eat. Prepare in advance and just put it in the fridge or the freezer so you can just take it out, heat it up and go on with your day. If you don't meal prep, it will be way harder for you to stay consistent because you'll have times where you'll be lazy, where you'll be tired, where you'll want something else. And if you don't have something ready, you won't be able to hold on to your healthy eating pattern. Check the link in the description for my newsletter. Subscribe to be notified for my next videos. It really means the world to me. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.